Hey guys! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Dropbox to Outlook using Integrately. Perfect if you want file notifications or updates sent directly to your inbox. First, head over to integrately.com, then log into your Integrately account. To get started, search for and select Dropbox as your first app. Then, search for and choose Microsoft Outlook as your second. From the list of one-click automations, pick Create Dropbox Folder for new Microsoft Outlook contact and click Activate. Next, connect both your Microsoft Outlook and Dropbox accounts by signing in and authorizing the connections. In the Search Folder step, choose the parent folder you want to use from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Then map the folder name using the display name from your Outlook contact to keep everything organized. Finally, test and turn on your automation. Once confirmed, every new Outlook contact will automatically create a folder in Dropbox. And that's it. Dropbox to Outlook done with Integrately. Hit like, subscribe, and check the description link to set it up yourself.